How to turn off Messenger Notes features. So Messenger Notes features are available at the top left corner of the screen, which help us to share short messages on Messenger with our followers or friends. So turning off Messenger's notes features on Messenger is not possible because it is one of the inbuilt features on Messenger. So there is no any tool that will help us to turn off this Messenger notes features even if we don't like or don't want to use this Messenger notes features. So the only way we can do to turn off this Messenger notes features is open a browser on your device. For now, let's open the Chrome browser. You can open any browser according to your preference. Once you open your browser, you need to type in apkviewer.com and open the site on your browser. Once you open it, you need to tap on the search icon at the top right corner of the screens on this website and search for Messenger. So let's open Messenger, tap on it and you can scroll all the way down. And here are some old versions of Messenger. So the only way you can do in order to turn off Messenger Notes features is by downloading the old versions of Messenger, as there is no any Messenger Notes features on the old version. But before that, make sure to uninstall the application if you haven't yet. For that, you can simply tap and hold the Messenger app and uninstall it by tapping on uninstall button, and you can download the old version. So let's tap on all versions of Messenger. And you can see the old versions of Messenger of all time. So you can choose the old versions of Messenger which haven't yet updated, and you can tap on this download button next to that old versions of Messenger, and once this files download, you need to install the application on your device. And once you install the old version of Messenger, there won't be notes features. Don't update the application, because if you update the application, then the Messenger Notes features might be available. So by downloading the old version, you can easily get rid of that Messenger Note features. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.